Hi, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management. Today we will discuss about the strategic management. Whatever the strategy is to be there, we will discuss. This is basically in the part of management program in which we have to go. The main thing is to be in the strategic management, the word is come down with strategy. स्ट्रैटेजी इज बेसिकली हिंदी में अगर हम बात करें तो इसको कहते हैं रणनीति. एज द नेम सजेस्टेड रणनीति, तो जाहिर सी बात है दिस वर्ड डेफिनेटली विल बी कम डाउन फ्रॉम द आर्मी साइड, वेयर नथिंग इज टू बी डिसाइडेड ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. एनीथिंग कैन बी हैपन इन द फ्यूचर, एनीथिंग कैन बी वेरी नेक्स्ट सेकंड इज टू बी देयर. So whatever the person, whatever the commandant, whatever the associate person was there, they have to develop certain plan on immediate need basis. So that plan which is to be developed by the commander-in-chief, that is known as the strategy. Simple language. So in the history or whatever the thing, strategic management is basically an ongoing process that assess the business and the industries in which the company is involved. Because assessing the competitions to set the goals and strategic to meet all their existing and potential competitors, and they realize that the strategy is to be developed. Now, basically strategy is a great decision. Great decision. Because we have already discussed, we will be discussed later on also, either vision, mission and objectives. So our strategy, whatever the things is to be decided on the today's scenario. So in the meantime, whatever the things is to be, whatever the discussion was there, because strategy is clearly a word. Strategy, we have already discussed. So in this, we have the other option also to be there. And regarding the meaning of strategy, because strategy is a entered in the field of management and after around 78, 79 was there when the behavioral scientists to be come down, but this to be applied in a from long ago. And strategy is derived from the Greek word strategos. Strategy, I will just tell you here, by which you can clearly. Study goes. This is the word. Study goes. It means generalship. Generalship. So in the generalship, whatever, because the strategy cannot be developed, cannot be elaborated, cannot be stabilized by the lower subordinate level. It will be always on the top levels to be there. So generally, we can say down, strategy is a process, strategy is a mission, strategy is the process to be there. So in the strategic management, it is a unifying theme that gives coherence and direction to the decision of the organizations. And if you have to come down the strategy, or then goes to the strategic management. Strategic management is consisting the analysis, decision and action on an organization undertake in order to create and sustain competitive advantage. The word comes down, competitive advantage. We will discuss later on of that word also, but in day-to-day practices, whatever the competition was there, we have to develop our plan of action. That plan of action and management of that plan of action, that is known as a strategic management. And strategic management process is basically the full set of commitment, decision and sections required for a firm to create value and earn above average return. This is the prime stage. So in this context, in these values, in these scenarios, now we have to come down the things, what the thing is to be going on. There are certain other behavioral scientists or certain other professionals, certain other management themes, they have to develop this strategy. What is strategy is to be? Because if you have to go down, something is Chester Bernard. They told the strategies are intended to focus on the interdependence of the adversations. And a lot of scientists was there, they have developed these things. But the main thing is to be there, in the origin of strategy, business strategy, because strategy is a different thing and business strategy is the same. When the strategy applied in the field of business, that is known as a business strategy. So business strategy is relatively young field of study, but its root go back to the entire military strategy was there. And strategy, and in this scenario, we can, because there are certain historical environment is to be there, we have already discussed, and as per your syllabus, because old age, whatever. So a lot of companies was there, not until every large institution is to be there, they have developed this type of strategic business was there, and in the strategic development, because in the foundation of strategic management study, business policy word also come down. Business policy. Policy is basically a written document. Whatever you are documented, whatever you have written, published, that is known as a policy. So policy cannot be changed, but strategy can be changed according to the need and want of the situations to be there. So now the thing is how this strategy evolution was come down, how the strategies come down in our day-to-day practices, because as and when the process was there, whatever. So earlier the theme was that dominant field. Dominant field. Because strategy has certain parameters is to be there. Dominant, main, issues, then key concept and tools, key concept and tools, and management. So in the history of in the history of concept, history of strategic management or evolution of strategic management, we will discuss what is to be from 1950, what is that, and what is in 2000 and more. We will discuss. So in 1950, whatever strategy is to be there, because in the dominant theme, 1950, just after the independence, our work is only related with the budget and budgetary planning control, budget planning. This is the main dominant field of study there. And what is the main, or you can say the main issue was there, that is the financial. And our key concept and the tools, it is the capital budgeting and financial planning. This is basically for which we have to develop the strategies. And our main thing was to management, coordination only. Coordination. Condition will be changed after 10 years, that is 1960 or up to 70 or 75, whatever. The condition is to be, in this, some industry will be come down, some development was come down, because around 47, around 50 and then 60, around 13-14 years has gone of the independent. India want to develop and growth economies to be going on. So in this, the certain planning has to be structured, and in 1960 the condition of the corporate planning will come down. Each and everything is to be strategy, but there are certain things. The corporate planning, then planning diversification, then key concept for which we have to develop our tools, that is forecasting and business planning, business synergy, this type of activities is to be carried out. In this 1960 or around 70s is to be there. And this, for a structural point of view and the management point of view, whatever the top management, they have to take care of the corporate planning department. They develop, by which the controlling of the issues, controlling of the nomination is to be carried out. Then after 10 to again 15 years is to be there, because 70 to 80 we can put down, 80 to 90, 90 to 2000 and above, we can, 80 to 90, 90 to 2000 and 2000 and above, we just put down. So in 70 to 80, Indian economy is to be growing on day by day, day by day. Just listening. Our mission, objective is to be very clear. Everyone to be now understand what is the mission of this strategic management. So we have to stabilize our positioning there. Then after this positioning, we have to selected sectors in which we have to position our leadership, position of leadership, because the main issue was their leadership in that area is to be there. And then industrial analysis come down, industrial analysis, that is, and this means segmentation process, and then diversification and growth phase is to be there. Diversification and growth phase management carried out in the main frame of Eastern. Later on, from after 19 or around 2000 is to be there, because a lot of companies come down, even export-import process like globalization, this process is carried out. So strategic management scenario was totally changed, we can say, because after the 80, things are a lot of changes to be there, and the major changes was come down after 95, you can do. So competitive advantage come down in the main field, dominant field was competitive advantage. A lot of companies is to be there, so everyone want to survive the business, like Darwin theory, who will survive, they can only carry on the other scenarios to be here. So focusing of their focus on competitive advantage, focusing on competitive advantage, and then resources and capabilities they have to look after, because the key resources and key factors like HR, the inward and outward logistics, whatever. And then restructuring and re-engineering was come down. Restructuring and re-engineering. So whatever the process we have to restructure. If we are not as per the dominant field, then we have to look after the main frame. And then what happens about after 2000? Strategic innovation come down. Innovation, because in 1994-95 HRD process come down, in a human resource development process will be carried out, in which a lot of establishment change out, and strategic innovation process carried out, or which provide reconciliation sizes, and their flexibility and development is to be there. Cooperative strategy will be come down. Cooperative strategy, because self-help, mutual help is to be there, key concepts is to be there. And management is to be carried out by the alliances and networking. Alliances and the networking. So network, whatever. So in this scenario, then we have to look after the evolution of strategic management. Evolution of strategic management. Concept is starting with the financial management only. But now it's enter in the field of innovation with the value of creativity and management of all the fields to be there, in which we need day-to-day basis of the strategy management, because without this we cannot say down what the condition will come. So in this process, because our main theme was to be there, because in this one mission, because it's in the strategic management, one mission is to be come down. And what the mission is to be, because in the strategic management there is a mission matrix. Mission matrix. This is a mission matrix is built as a ENSOP's product. ENSOP's product. They have shown that whatever the thing is to be, whether it's a present mission or it's a new mission, because we will develop a strategy according to that only. Present product and a new product. So clear, because we have come down the innovation, we have to come down the strategic alliances, we have to come down with the value addition. So regarding present reform, the first thing is market potential. If the market potential was there, or market potential, or we can say market penetration. If the market potential is to be there, so we will enter in the field of market penetration. Present situation is to be there. And then we have developed the product development. And as the product is to be developed, we have developed for new mission, we have to develop the market development. And accordingly, we have developed the diversification. Why I have to slow down here in strategic management? For the strategic management, whatever the concept was there, whatever the values is to be there, each and everything related with the company's mission and objective was to be there. And as the company mission and objective is to be clear, the concept will be very is to be there. And then the strategy, concept, values, each and everything is to be, because in the strategy, unified comprehensive integrated plan was there. Strategic advantages related to the challenges of environment, and proper implementation ensure the objectivity of the basic objectives. And then accordingly, strategic management we have to put down, because each and everything in nowadays new innovation was there. So exclusive in exclusive objectivity setting was there, by which we have to take care was there. And then in other nature, each and everything know about the thing, because this is the essence of that. And essence of strategy is to be, in terms of the essence of strategy, there's only 4 essences to be there. Long-term objective was there, by which we have to develop. Second, competitive advantage was there, we already did. Then vectors and the synergy was there. Long-term, because today whatever we have to develop the strategy, we have accordingly we have to carry on to be. And then the main frame is to be there. Management of strategic management is totally dependent on the vector scales to be, because strategy involves adoptions of the policies. So in today's world, we have discussed strategy, their concepts, their values and traditions to be there. Now, each other thing, and beside this, strategic management is very clear, strategic values is to be clear, and how the strategy is to be evolved from 0 point to that point is to be there. Because from ancient, after the just independent and just to now this is the, we will discuss about the business policy and strategic management. Business policy and strategic management. So we have already told that policy versus strategy, if you come down, like policy is basically a written document. Okay, so a policy is a statement, verbal, written or implied, of those principles and rules that are set by managerial leadership as guidance and constraints for the organization through an action. So it is to be a document. The purpose of the policy is to enable the management to relate properly and the organization work to be as per the objectives. Now, because the existence of practical and comprehensive policies tend to increase efficiency. Each and everything, if you have to have the written document, then definitely we can read and then accordingly we can understand the policies to be there. इसको ऐसे समझ लेते हैं कि जब भी कभी आप कभी कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं, कोई भी whatever, तो उसके अंदर एक आपको लीफ इंसर्ट मिलता है, लीफ इंसर्ट, ब्रोशर्स, whatever. आप उसको पढ़ते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है कि इस प्रोडक्ट में क्या क्या चीजें हैं और उसमें क्या क्या और चीजें जान सकते हैं. और दैट इज टू बी रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट, तो हम कुछ भी उसमें घपला नहीं कर सकते. अगर वैसा ना हो तो कुछ भी चीजें हम उसमें काट सकते हैं. I will just tell you small stories to be there regarding the policy matters too, because I have already read it, even listened on also. One of my teacher, they told that when the Hero Honda come down, Hero Honda company जो है वो इंडिया में आई, तो they want to develop a motorcycle बनाना चाहते थे, और उनके पास जो मशीनरी थी वो 80 सीसी की थी, 80 सीसी की, और उस 80 सीसी की बाइक वो चाहते थे कि हम इंडिया में लॉन्च करें और अच्छे से चले. उस समय मार्केट जो है वो बजाज के पास था और कई कंपनीज और भी थी, बट जो होल्ड था वो बजाज के पास था, महाराष्ट्र स्कूटर्स के नाम से. और इन्होंने कहा कि 80 सीसी, अरे कैसे पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज हमारे पास तो पहले ही 150 सीसी का मिनिमम स्कूटर्स है और 100 का हमने कब ज्वाइन लॉन्च किया था, वो बेकार हो गया. देन दे टोल्ड कि कुछ तो है. उस समय मुंजाल साहब थे कि हम चलो इंटर इन द फील्ड ऑफ मोटर बाइक्स बिजनेस वगैरह में उतरे. होंडा ने इसे कॉन्वर्ट किया इन्होंने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल फर्स्ट जो है वो लॉन्च की, दैट इज हीरो होंडा CD 100। अगेन हमने आपसे यहां पे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज when they develop this in a brochure form, brochure, booklet, whatever, so they insert, they have clearly mentioned that engine capacity is 80 cc. The name can be Hero Honda CD 100, but as per the policy matter, as per the documentation process, things is very clear that that is a 80 cc is to be there. Legal actions later on, things will come down. Someone is going to give, this is the engine power commence की, और फिर भी they have to show down, नहीं, you have to see that I have already claimed this is a 80 cc bike, or give the performance later on is converted into the 100 cc. But हम यहाँ पे बात इसलिए कर रहे हैं because policy is a document which is to be legalized and we have to put down the register of practical and comprehensive policies tend to increase efficiency. Then decision made within a policy framework have a higher probability of being synchronized with other decisions within the company because that is already a written process, or refers to the decision about future of an enterprise, guiding frameworks for repetitive decisions, top management to lower management involvement, and setting long-term objectives of the enterprise, study of functions and responsibility of senior management concerning crucial problems by the way of the policy. And policies also provide direction to the organization and shape of future towards the organization side. We can also say down like business policy is a set a different level of management concerning different responsibilities. And what about the responsibilities to be there? Responsibility. Number first, dividend policy decided by the board of directors. Second, capital allocation for expansions is to be the top management. Revenue matters on sales administrations, it can be carried out by the middle management process, and routine action, it can be carried out by lower management. Now the difference is strategic management will be take care only by the top management, but in the business policy, state by state, decision making process can be changed. Now, in the business policy, the certain characteristics is to be there. Policy refers to total enterprise or a large segment of it, that is change in organization goals. That one. Then long-term perspective and commitment was there. Then uses of critical resources with environmental contributions and process in nature was carried out by the business policy. Identification of opportunities and choosing the right strategy can be taken care by the means of business policy. If adaptation to the changing environment is to be taken care by the business policy, because business policy reviewed every stage of the policy wherever the letter of the policy is to be there. Then accordingly, when we have to carry on, so why in the management field we have put down business policy as a field of study. Why? डॉक्यूमेंट है, जस्ट टू पुट डाउन, रख दीजिए और इसके बाद आराम से जो कंपनी कहेगी वैसा हम कर लेंगे. तो why we have to put down in the things of the business policy in the field of management science to be there? Because it gives an integrated view of management based knowledge and experience. Management based knowledge, management based. We have already told that management is science and the arts both. अगर हम कहते हैं 2 into 2 is equal to 4 होता है, right? So this is already proved by the theorem of what? वर्क स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट की बात करते हैं, किसी को हाइजेनबर्ग की थ्योरीज की बात करते हैं, अगर एल्टन मायो की थ्योरीज की बात करते हैं कि इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट अगर हम बढ़ाएंगे तो आदमी की प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑलरेडी प्री डिसाइडेड. This is already the theories has to be already propounded, this type of. So business policy gives an integrated view of management based knowledge and experience. That's why in the study we take care. Then complexities of business and its constraint with environment we have down there. That's why. Then broader perspective of management learning. Here we have to provide. Then study of top management and responsibilities and decision making process was carried out by the means of study of business policy. And then conceptualization of key business processes to be carried out. So in this means of business policy, a preparation for performance as a general manager and broadening of perspective of specialist is to be taken care by the means of business policy. This business policy also provides understanding and implementation of strategic management process. We will strategic management process. Because strategic management, we have developed a strategy, or a strategy is the whole source of the attitude. Because in the attitude, what is to be there? Generalistic rather specialist. In the policy, if I am the arrogant, is fine. But whenever we develop any strategy, arrogancy, I can give down any type of orders, whatever the need is to be there. But when we develop any type of policy, because policy is a written document or visualization is to be possible, so generalistic rather than specialist we have to take care. Then view of the practitioners take care, orientation of professional businessmen we have to take care, and more values and creativity and innovation than to maintenance of that also. Then why we have to business policy as a strategic tool was there. Because in the business policy, the main objective is objective of knowledge. Objective of knowledge. Objective of knowledge. Knowledge is basically two types. That is concepts and situations. Concept and situations. And objective of skills. Two things was there. Objectives of skills. Again, the skill is the two things is to be there. Like ability, हम कर सकते हैं, और एनालिसिस एबिलिटी, सोचते हैं पहले कि कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, एनालिसिस एबिलिटी. So whatever the policy is to be there, whatever the objectivity is to be there, this thing is to be carried out in that manual is to be there. So whenever we have developed strategy, business policy was there, conditions will totally change, scenario was there. So in the business policy, if you have to look after, on the basis of business policy, we have to see down the strategies to be there. Because in the business policy, if you have to look after the mirror, like a strategy, on use of the strategic policies. So strategy is defining and achieving an organization objectives and implement its mission. Large scale, future oriented plan for interacting with competitive environment to optimize achievement of an organization objectives. It is to be the long-term policies to be in, or this is the large scale and future oriented to be there. And the strategy pattern of an organization's response to its environment over the time. This topic. And then it's to be the long-term objectives, purpose of an organization, long-term. What we develop the strategy today, the result may be come down later on. आप इसको ऐसे देख लीजिए कि आप चाय बनाते हैं और चाय में चाय की पत्ती डालते हैं. अगर हम चाय की पत्ती डाल के तुरंत उसमें से हटा लें, दूध गर्म करते हुए हटा लें, तो क्या पत्ती जो टी लीव्स होती है उसका वो इंपैक्ट आता है जिसको हम रियली एक हार्ड टी के बारे में बात करें? शायद, मे बी, बट हमारे ख्याल से शायद नहीं आ पाता है. तो उसका इफेक्ट कब आता है? आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम, maybe after seconds, maybe after minute, whatever. So the main thing, whatever the strategy will develop in today's, the result will come down in a futuristic approach. Because long-term objectives or the purpose of an organization is to be very clear in that, and different from operating decisions, that is day-to-day related activities, is to be carried out by the strategy on the basis of policy. So now with the business policy, strategy is already clear. Now what is the strategic management? Strategic management is a set of decisions and actions resulting in formulating and implementing of strategies designed to achieve the objectives. Because strategy means strategic management or corporate strategic. Corporate strategic. Corporate strategy. When this strategy comes down and the business prospect, things can be carried out by the corporate strategy. And corporate strategic management is basically a set of decisions and action resulting in formulation and implementing of strategies designed to achieve the objectives in the corporates. And its requirement is due to the complexity and sophistication of business decision making process. That's why the strategic management is to be carried out and the corporate strategic management is to be carried out. And in the corporate strategic management, effective dealing with environment challenges with given organization is to be available. Now, dimensions of corporate strategic management or corporate strategic management or strategic management. What were the dimensions? What were the dimensions to be there? So, in the dimensions, certain was there, like certain things. डायमेंशन इज वेरी क्लियर. भाई एक आपके पास एक रास्ता है कि हमें किधर जाना है. बहुत सारे वहां से वेज हैं आपके पास. कहीं से आप यहां पे हैं, आपको किधर जाना है, सभी कहीं ना कहीं से घूम के इस जगह पे आ रहे हो बाई चांस. ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा, व्हाटएवर, ये ऐसे आ रहा होगा टाइम. So dimensions in multi-facility is to be there, but we have to select in which direction we have to go down, by which less effort, maximum profitability, maximum revenue should be come down in the business. Because business, what is business? Business is basically to get down certain things in the form of profit-making things also. We should get down. So in the dimensions, whenever we have discussed about the dimensions is basically the certain, because in the terms of the strategic management and the business policy, dimensions of strategic management or corporate strategic management. Corporate. First one is top management decision. Top management decision. Business policies to be cleared, things are carried out by the means of business policy is to be designed channels, channel by channel. As per the requirement, a subordinate can also develop some business policy for the organization for the long-term development. But whenever we have discussed about the strategic management, is to be take care only by the top management decision is to be there. So, first, top management. Top management decisions. Second, because these are the dimensions in which. Second, allocation of large amount of company resources. Allocation of large amount of company resources. Whatever the strategy we have developed is to be the long-term process. So, our whatever we have resources is to be allotment on the long-term basis to be there. Then, whatever the strategy we develop today, result will be come down after 5 years, after 10 years to be there. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी किस पे चलती है? आज पर नहीं चलती. वो कहती है you take the insurance or you take the investment in this insurance policy and see what will give after your death, after 10 years, after 15 years, whatever. Same thing here also. In the strategy, what we will develop the strategy today, the result will be come down after 5 or 10 years or whatever the impact. Depend on the institution, depend on the business organization, depend on the situation, depend on the implications to be there. So, allocations, then significant impact on the long-term prosperity of the firm. Significant impact. significant impact on the long-term prosperity of the firm. Because whatever the institution developed today, it is to be developed for years and years and years to be there. Not a single institution is to be there, they just develop, आज बनाओ कल को इंस्टीट्यूशन बंद कर देंगे, नहीं. They want कि हमें जैसे जैसे इंस्टीट्यूशन चलेगा वैसे वैसे हम आगे आगे काम करते जाएंगे. Next dimension is to be there 4, that is a future oriented. Future. I already told you regarding the corporate strategy or business strategy or strategic management, we have to put on the future oriented. Whatever the decision we take is to be oriented toward the side of the future. Because we will not take this type of decision कि आज हम बना लेते हैं कल को हम इसको हटा लेंगे, नहीं. Whatever the thing is to be there is to be carried out step by the means of the business policy, and as per the policy, because policy will be guidelines and guideline instructions to be here, so we have developed that type of strategic intent was there. So in the future orientation was there. Then major multifunctional or multi-business consensus should be there. Multi-function consequences should be there. Multifunction consequences should be there. So what is a multifunction? Multifunction or multi-business? Whatever. Multi-business, whatever, both things. Because strategy is not effect or effect in today's scenario. Maybe if effect can be come down, effect can be come down. But it's to be applied in multi-dimensional field was there. As the multi-dimensional field is to be carried out, definitely we will look after each and every prospect is to be there. And then consideration of factors corresponding to firm's external environment, because whatever the strategy will develop, it should be on the external and internal factors. Here in the strategy formulation, we have to most concern about the external factors of the organization, because consideration should be taken care by the external factors. And if these external factors is not be carried out accordingly, our system will not work. So in today's business, in today's scenario was there, whatever the work is to be carried out, we have developed certain policies and strategy. In the policy, we have already policy, strategy, corporate strategy, because we are discussing corporate strategy, and overall strategic management. Strategic management. So when a manager uses his planning, organizing, directing, evaluation and control process applied by the means of the strategy in policy, strategy or corporate strategy, things will be very, very understandable. So as and when we will discuss today according to corporate policy, according to business policy, then how this to be related with the strategy, and how this strategy is to be related with the corporate world, and corporate world how we have to manage the strategic management. This is overall things.